Yo, what's up guys? Hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this graphic animation in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump into it. Okay, here we are in DaVinci. I want this fusion composition to be about 5 seconds long. So 5 seconds. Let's go into the fusion. Let's go background with alpha 0. And I'm going to grab black background now and I'm going to connect it here. For this background, I need rectangle and I'm going to change height to 1 and I'm going to move it to the left. That will be 0.25 and I'm going to name it. That will be blackly G. I'm going to copy this, paste it here, connect it, and I'm going to name it white background. Okay, I'm going to copy this rectangle, paste it here, and I'm going with this. Actually, we need a white background, right? So that will be white. And this rectangle will be here. That's gonna be 0.75. We set up the backgrounds. Let's move on. And here we're going for assets. You're gonna have these assets. You can find it in the description below. So that will be gaming. Let's name it gaming and money. Okay, I need background with alpha 0 and I'm going connect. Actually, before I connect it, I need generator. Color generator, let's move it up. Another color generated copy, select money, paste it here. I'm going to go with output of gaming to blue input of color generator, same as here. Let's connect it first. Okay, like that, and connect to the main node tree. And we need transform for 2 of them. Okay, let's put it here. And gaming will be on the left. Okay, color generator is white and default in my case, and money we need to have it black. Okay, but we want this money to be here. We don't want this money to be visible. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to select this merge. I'm going to grab rectangle. Let's move it here. Let's move it to the right. So that's gonna be 0.75 and let's change height to 1. And now this money will be visible only when it moves here. Okay, but for now we're gonna hide it behind the game in the black area. And gaming, this part, we want to be visible only in the black area. When it goes to white, it needs to disappear. It will disappear anyway, but I'm going to copy this rectangle, paste it in empty space here. I'm going to connect this rectangle to this merge and gaming, and I'm going to just move this rectangle here and center will be 0.25. So now we have gaming here, okay, and money we've got like behind. We can have even the same parameters, okay? We can have even the same parameters of center X. So let's go with guides here. We've got guides. Let's put it in the center. It's kind of like here. It looks nice. Okay. And let's copy. It's gonna be 0.5. Let's do 0.5. Actually, that's about here. This is the middle. Minus 0.5, right? Okay, minus 0.5. And copy. Let's go to this transform. And that will be the same. Okay, so they in the same position now. These two icons are in the same position. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to select this transform and I'm going to hit shift space and I want another transform. Right, let's close this media pool. On frame 0, I want this, sorry, before I do it, I want pivot to be in the middle. So that will be 0.5, okay, minus 0.5, sorry. And on frame 0, I want to animate center and angle. And on frame, let's go to frame 30. I want to move it here. So that will be 175. And angle, I want to change to minus 180. And I want to copy this transform, select this transform here, and type in Ctrl-Shift-V, and it doesn't work how we want it. So let's go to frame 30 and adjust the position. So it will be like that, and that will be minus 360. Okay, and money we've got here. I don't know if it looks good, so we can adjust it by this transform. Okay. Okay, I forgot to animate actually center. So let's, okay, frame 30 is here. Let's go to frame 0. That will be, that was 0.5. Okay, it looks good. We just need to smooth it out, the transform, and spline editor, select all the points, hit F and T, go with 100, close spline editor, and we've got animation done. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.